Who did not grow up loving Hot Pockets? I loved them. Oh, was the only issue with them. Gotta be careful on that first bite. I'm making my own version of Hot Pockets. 2 different ways. Air fryer, deep fryer. I made a prime rib roast this week. These are the leftovers. I know, no one ever has leftover prime rib. Got my assistant helping me with all the trimmings. Up. Prime rib is all cubed up. I'm using Havarti, some of the best melting cheese you can get, shredded up. I'm using egg roll wraps. I add the prime rib, Havarti cheese, and I sprinkle a little dash of this Arctic thyme salt. They just sent me this. I'm gonna give it a try. Some egg wash around the sides, help it close better. Pull these sides up a little bit, just to have it stay together. What it looks like. Now with a clean brush, I am going to lather these with some melted butter. Actually throw these in the fridge for about 15 minutes while I heat up the air fryer. Got my bacon up oil ready to go, and the air fryer's ready. I want to see which one's going to turn out better. While I'm waiting, I'm going to drink my own beer. Why wouldn't I? Delicious. Golden brown and then flip. Frying in the oil took about 4 minutes and they look beautiful. Here are the air fryer ones. Gotta say, they're all pretty crispy. I now want to do a taste test. Oil first. Oh. You hear that crunch, right? Now the air fryer. Woo! Some things never change. All right, here we go again. Actually crunchy. I gotta tell you, both, I don't know if I can decide. I actually thought I'd like the oil better. They both turned out pretty darn good. You kidding me? Go either way.